What it is, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new and lost in the sauce and do not know who I am, I go by Cassandra Liz. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I apply my lashes. I'm always asked what lashes I'm using, how I apply lashes and stuff like that, because typically I don't like to film posting my lashes. It's just so in my face and in my face. It feels so weird, but I'm gonna show you guys today how I do this. Okay, look at that. The difference lashes make. So first things first, I'm just using the Revlon Volume and Length Mascara. This really coats my lashes perfectly. And as you guys can see, I barely got some lashes, okay? So that's why I like to wear false, long, dramatic lashes. Like it's just mandatory for me, okay? All right, so check it. You guys are always asking me what lashes am I wearing? What lash brand are these? And I get these at my local beauty supply store. So these are called MINK 3D Hair. So you guys want to go to your local beauty supply store, okay? They run from 199 to 299, very affordable I feel compared to most lashes, okay? And all you have to do is with the back of the, well, with the spoolie or with the back of whatever retractable pencil you have that has a spoolie, just run that through the hairs, make them nice and wispy, and boom, they are good to go. My current favorite lash glue is the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe. This is the black one. I find that this is very sticky. Like as soon as you put your lashes on, girl, them lashes is not going nowhere. I do notice that in the inner corner of my eye, because I do have downturned eyes, it will kind of raise, but that's okay. That's why I just keep that lash glue on hand in my purse if I'm out and about, just in case I got to relash, okay? The part I hate the most. Okay, so when you're using your mirror, use that mirror down. You see how I just told you guys, don't pull it up like that. It's easier for you to apply your lashes, or for me at least, it's easier for me to look down. And then what I like to do is just place it in the middle, and then I just kind of connect the lashes together. I am telling you the difference lashes make. Like, I am obsessed. I am obsessed with these lashes. Then going back into that mascara and just running that on my lower lashes. And that's pretty much a wrap. This is my everyday face routine. I just apply some brows, some wispy lashes, a nude lip, and my hair goes back like this. And no foundation, because let's be honest, my skin is way darker than my face right now, and no foundation currently matches me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to smash that thumbs up button and comment down below what you guys would like to see next. And until next time.